Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning, babe.
What are we doing today?
Today we are here beside the water, and in a short while we will gonna be on the boat. Yahoo!
We're renting a boat.
We can buy the boat.
We can't buy it. Are you going to drive it?
Well, if you're gonna trust me, why not?
No, I'll
I
trust
can
you.
do that.
I'll trust you. I have a life preserver. I'll be fine.
Okay,
Okay, let's go have some fun.
let's go have some fun.
Bye. So are those the ones behind you going to drive? Look at those ones behind you. Are you going to drive those?
Oh my God! Are you kidding me?
Sailboat?
You serious?
Could be like Popeye the Sailor.
I forgot my spinach.
Your spinach. Okay, well those aren't the ones we're going to rent. We're going to rent a speedboat.
Yes,
Yeah, and go fast.
speedboat is better.
That's right. Okay, let's go look.
Static electricity on this dock.
Ah,
Very good. You're welcome.
baby. How are you?
Good. Oh my God.
Where are you?
Are, baby. Oh wow! I am floating now. Woo.
Hey, you. How are you?
I'm fine, baby.
Yeah?
Look how the water splash on my glass. How does it feel to be a driver there?
Good. I'm gonna get a job as a taxi driver.
Are you? We're getting very far. I can see anything. Oh my God. Woo. Hi. Woo.
How are you doing?
I'm nervous.
Look over here. Oh, go left a little bit. Left. Yeah, that's a girl. Try to stay in the center.
How's my speed?
Well, you're not going real fast. You're going, I don't know, the speedometer is broken. So we don't know how fast you're going. Give it a little bit more speed. Give it a little more juice. That a girl.
I'm going up to 20. My God, it's like I'm so steep, babe. I feel I'm so steep.
You're okay. A little bit more, baby.
Higher?
A little faster, yep. That a
I'm
girl.
going up to 20.
Look at you, like a pirate girl. Okay, a little more gas. A little more.
Higher?
A little more. Woohoo! Keep pointing at that triangle.
Come on.
Oh. You're not pointing at the triangle. Point at the triangle, baby. Good girl. Good job, honey. Doing a good job.
Thank you, thank you.
I'll give you your driver's license when you're done.
Hi, Angela. I'm driving a boat now. I don't need to drive a car.
How you doing?
I think I'm
You what?
I'm still nervous,
You
man.
still nervous?
I feel like I'm getting close to the edge.
No, you're not anywhere near the edge. Give it a little more gas. You're kind of like a pirate with that thing on. We should go onto somebody else's boat and take it over. Just like the movies, huh? Arr, give us your boat, matey.
Baby, I'm just trying not to fly my hair everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
Because this is one of a lifetime. I don't know where am I gonna have this again. So I just want to make sure it's me on the cam.
And that's why I want you to drive.
Well, after I drove, what do you call this? A horse?
A horse,
Now
yeah.
I'm on a boat.
Next will be an airplane.
I think I can be expert already anywhere.
I think so too.
It's like the boat is flying. Woo! It's jumping. The wave. Oh, that scared me now. We're just two here and the boat is big. Angelo, you should try this. Did you ride in a boat before? No? Well, I bet you. I'm the first one. Yeah, it looks like gonna rain too. It's getting dark. It's raining there? Not yet? Okay. I'll talk to you later. Just to let you know we're in the middle of the water. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Is this a good day?
Very much.
Yeah?
This is the best days of all. I'm relaxing, look.
Yeah. Good for you.
Oh,
Who's driving the boat?
a ghost boat.
A ghost
Woo!
boat.
Oh my God, we're bouncing.
Oh my God, we are bouncing.
We're
It's
like
a ghost
in,
boat. Yay.
we're like in a waterbed.
Yeah. Good thing there's nobody out here.
This is fun.
Yeah.
We got stranded in an island.
Oh, look. There's nobody here. Oh, there's a jet ski. Stay away from us. We don't have a driver.
We don't have a driver. My driver is taking a picture here.
Yeah, you bet.
It's a remote control.
All these people are shooting by us at 200 miles an hour. We're like slowpokes right now.
We are the most fast driver here.
Okay. Alrighty.
Already.
Maybe I should wear my glasses when I'm driving. I don't want to kill anybody. That's a good idea. See?
Woo, we will be having a nap here later. It's our nap time at 12 noon.
That's
so
right.
we will be having here
Yeah,
later.
yeah, we'll be having a nap, all right.
Yep.
Okay, I better go back to driving. All right. So this is our end of our first hour. We have this boat for 2 hours. And it looks like it's gonna rain, but we don't care. Because it's just good. Right?
Well, it's a wonderful day for pie.
It's a wonderful day for pie. For pie and for speedboats.
Yeah. It's not sunny, which is good because it's not hot.
Yes.
It's cool. And now,
We gotta get gas in a little while, dude. For some reason you have to get your own gas. It's not like
yes.
there's a lot of gas stations on the water. You can only go to one place, so it's probably real expensive.
Oh no.
We'll find out, huh?
We'll find out. Otherwise, we will go home without the boat.
That's right. Drive it back to Edmonton on the highway.
Sorry, Joe, your car will left behind. We will just steal the boat.
We're going home in a boat.
Yeah, we're going home with the boat.
Yeah.
And maybe some... Is there a shark here?
There's no sharks.
Oh, there's no shark. We can take a shark for you.
Oh, no sharks. So
Okay, keep
right.
going, sweetheart. This is it.
we're done. There's
That
your
was
boat.
such a very, very wonderful driving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Oh yeah, so much babe.
Now you're the driving queen, right?
Driving queen.
All right.
Maybe 5 minutes driving queen.
Let's go pay for this.
Yeah.